నమస్కారం అండి. మా అమ్మ పేరు కిష్టమ్మ. 13th రోజు ఇక్కడ అడ్మిట్ చేయడం జరిగింది కోవిడ్ వల్ల. సివియర్ కేసు. ఎక్కడ తిరిగినా హాస్పిటల్లో బెడ్స్ అనేది దొరకలేదు.
जहाँ पर हमको सिलेंडर का इतना स्केर्सिटी था, ऑक्सीजन मिलना है तो 1 घंटा नहीं तो 2 घंटा वेट करना पड़ेगा.
The month of April 2021, when actually COVID hit, second wave hit India, in Telangana, we had about 80,000 live cases. And both private and government hospitals put together, we had capacity to cater to only 28,000 people.
That was the time we were looking for some way to impact the society and do a meaningful work, and we had partnered with Unity Way of Hyderabad to do something in this space to provide a bridge care hospital for COVID.
That's how Ashray came into being. Entire objective of this project was to give care, protection to people who are going through a lot of stress related to COVID.
As India was battling with the second wave of COVID, the sharp increase in the number of cases was concerning to all of us. In this regard, when we heard of the great initiative of Project Ashray to provide free medical care and treatment to people, we were more than willing to participate and support the cause.
Patients requiring the additional help of oxygens, ICU and other critical care. Considering this obvious need, we got in partnership with Project Ashray, where we aim to provide free medical facilities to COVID patients by well-qualified medical professionals.
In spite of being the first of its kind in Telangana, the project was set up in a very short time. It was also flexible to cater to the needs of the local population.
When the state required medical infrastructure, all the industry bodies came together along with United Way of Hyderabad. The first one being RealPage, Ligato Healthcare Services, DBS, IHS Market, S&P Global, Providence, Hasco, Cyberabad Security Council. So they were the right partners for us because they had already a bent of mind of service.
So in these times, I think the most satisfying thing for me in my life is to come together in these times to save some lives and establish a bridge care COVID center. It has not only served people here, but it has also reduced the burden of the load in other hospitals.
The kind of treatment, the kind of engagement Ashray has been providing us to recover again because of the efforts of the people here, be it the doctors, the pulmonologists, the nurses, or the management, or the other staff here. We wholeheartedly appreciate their effort.
ఇక్కడ టేక్ కేర్ కానీ ఫుడ్ కానీ అన్ని విధాలుగా చాలా హెల్ప్ చేశారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. మా అమ్మ ఇప్పుడు మా ఇంటికి వచ్చిందంటే ఆశ్రయ సార్ వల్లనే.
The way they have reached the patients, holding them and comforting them has really given us great relief and helped us in our recovery. We're very much thankful.
ఈ ఆశ్రయ ఫౌండేషన్ ఇచ్చిన ఆశ్రయానికి చాలా కృతజ్ఞతలు చెప్పుకుంటున్నాం. మేము చాలా బ్యాడ్ కండిషన్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాము. అన్ని రకాలుగా మాకు మంచి చూసి పంపిస్తున్నారు. మమ్మల్ని ఎంత మంచి చూసుకున్నారు, తల్లిదండ్రులు వారు చూసుకున్నారు.
ఉచితముగా మందులు, ఉచితముగా భోజనం మరి అన్ని ఉచితముగా ఏర్పాటు చేసి మరి చాలా చక్కగా మమ్మల్ని చూసుకున్నారు.
They say if the student is ready, the teacher arrives. I think it's true for corporate social responsibility too. If the intent and the heart is there, the resources, the funds, the people come together.
It was important for us to see that people are getting their hope back, because the situation was very, very devastating. We saw our close family members and friends getting sick, and then they were getting hospitalized in ICU, and then some of them were coming back, some of them were not coming back, right? And so that was the primary reason why we got involved into this kind of project, and it was really important for us to get involved into this kind of project.
All the members who came together to start this project had the same vision, and we will remain united in fighting many more emergencies. We hope there are no emergencies, but if there is an emergency, we commit to remain united to fight any pandemic that comes.